Welcome to this introduction to the windowing feature of Advanced Charting Kit. Whilst the performance of our charts is something we're proud to shout about, really big datasets can take a long time to load into your app. But Advanced Charting Kit provides you with two ways to reduce that initial load time. The first is the continuous windower, which is useful when you need to display a large number of data points on the screen at once. It draws a small window of data initially, allowing the chart to be displayed quickly. It then adds in the rest of the data in small windows until it's all shown. This keeps your apps responsive whilst the data is loading. Here you can see continuous windowing at work in our Android sample. The second windower we provide is the on-demand windower. This is useful when you have a large dataset, but only need to display a small part of it at once. For example, historical stock data. Without a windower, the whole dataset would need to be loaded before the chart could be displayed. With an on-demand windower, when the chart appears, only the data in the initial range is loaded, so the loading takes hardly any time. As the user pans or zooms the chart, more data is loaded. Here's our iOS on-demand windower sample app. You can see that the data is loading in time for the scrolling to be as responsive as you'd expect. So with shinobicharts Advanced Charting Kit, your chart loading times can be as impressive as your chart's performance.